Okay, it's blues times. This is my number 2 lesson on blues turnarounds. And we're in the key of E, so I thought E was a good choice because you got those open strings to work with. So before I get too far into this, I wanted to give you guys some, I guess I call it blues you can use, because we all need turnarounds. I mean, you got to get out of that thing somehow, right? I was talking to my buddy Bill Champlin about that. He'd been taking a blues solo, and he goes, sometimes you just got to be an escape artist. Those things, how do you get out of it, right? And this is one way to get out of it, to do a turnaround. It resolves the song. So I showed you 3 of them in my last little go-round, a little YouTube lesson, and I wanted to continue down and show you a few more. In the key of E, one I like to do, I haven't shown you this one yet, and it's a bit maybe challenging for somebody, but this one you go all the way up to the 12th fret on the D string with your 3rd finger. And again, the pattern is going to be the same as what I showed you before, which is down, up, down. So it's like, and you're going to pick up the pinky with the 12th fret of the high E string. So it sounds something like this. Okay, now I'm going to slow that down and take it apart for you. So 3rd finger again on that D string, 12th fret, all the way up where the 2 dots are, right? And pinky same fret, but on the E. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So what this finger is doing is, okay, but the pinky stays there. That's the key to this whole thing, is the, and you've probably heard that before in many different, okay? So that's the first one I'm going to show you, and I'm going to go back and recap this, so don't worry about rewinding or any of that. I'm going to cover it again at the end here, so you'll hear it in practice, okay? The next one I'm going to show you is something a little bit different. This one is a little more of a, I guess you call this a folk blues move, whether, we talk about country blues, we talk about Americana, which is now like a really broad term that's used for so many things. But this one, as you guys know, I'm into fingerstyle. Now you can do all this stuff with picks or without. Although, if you check this out, what it sounds like, it's good, but it's not. This one sounds better to me. I like the fingerstyle thing, so. Yeah, so there you get the T going, spill it all over the place like I just did, and that's all part of the blues. Lucky my cat wasn't sitting under it, right? So what I want to take you to the next one is the folk blues thing, right? So this one's kind of different. So this one I go. I like the sound of that actually. So it's an E7th. You come down on your low E string and then pick up the high E and then the B string and then A chord, A7th chord, which you know by now, and then A minor 7th. That's kind of cool, right? So you just drop that 3rd and then to an E, and then we're going to go to the C 9th chord. And then the B. I showed you guys that one last time too, but if you know a 9th chord is, okay, that's the form. Many of you know that, some of you might not. That's why I spelled it out for you. Really handy chord to have in the blues. So once again, this folk blues turnaround sounds like, I'll play a little intro to it and then you'll see how it works. That's what that sounds like. And it's another way to do it. You know, it depends on the context too, I think. You know, like if it's more of an urban blues, maybe not so much, but we're really exploring more of a Taj Mahal, Ry Cooder kind of blues here. It's got some, my friend would say it's got some chicken coop on it. Yeah, in my case, some taro patch on it. But so to utilize all the, I'm just going to do a little run through and show you what it sounds like utilizing. I think I showed you five or six turnarounds there. Let's see where I take it. There's one more I want to show you before I go, though. This is an actual riff. It goes like this. Sorry. That's it. Okay, I'll put a little hillbilly on it. So this one is open E, 3rd fret E, open A, and then you go 1st fret A, first finger, 2nd fret A with the 2nd finger, open D, again back to that 2nd fret A, 2nd finger, then open A, and then that G, 3rd fret E string, and then open E. So slow motion. One more time. I bend that G a little. Not a lot. That's all right. I like that one. Now you got six turnarounds total in the 2 lessons I just taught you. I'm going to play through some blues now and utilize all 6 of them. And I don't know what order yet because I never know till I do it. And that, my friends, is the way the blues goes. Just whatever you're feeling at the time. So let's pick a groove here. Let's see. Kind of easy. And now we're going to turn around to the B chord. A7. One more time around. And now I'm going to do a whole bunch in a row. You ready? Like I said, I'm totally random with it stuff. It is whatever I feel like at the time. So what you noticed was I did all 6 of them. I believe I got them all in there. First one was which is one of the ones I taught in my first go around on this 2 lesson thing. Second one was a real simple one. I don't know if I did that one, but I'm doing it now. It's very similar, isn't it? So I wouldn't do them together probably. I would probably mix it up. The third one I did was this one. That's the one with that down, up, or down, up, down pattern. Chromatic walk down. Okay. And the other one was the high one. One more time. Again, it's that same pattern. You can pick it up with 1st finger, 2nd finger sometimes. Sometimes I do it with my 2nd finger on the high E. Depends on where it is on the fretboard. And then you got your folk turnaround, which I did not do, I don't think. That's the one with the sharp 5. And and then there was that. I just showed you. So that's all 6 of them. I don't think I did them all, but I'm going to play it out now, and hopefully I can give you all of them in one thing. I hope I don't forget any, and I'll try and mix it up so that, you know, dynamically it works in terms of the voicing. So I'm just going to do one verse of blues, and then I'm going to try to do all the turnarounds at once. Okay. That's about it. Time for my boot heels to be wandering. You know why? Because my wife's in the kitchen making some gluten-free paleo cookies. Free the glutens. Yeah, the blues. Let's bring it all home. And that is my blues turnaround series for now. There's many more to show you eventually, but if I didn't get it all in here, go to jimmydillon.com, and we got some blues courses especially covering this kind of stuff for you. So we'll see you down the road. Thanks for coming aboard on the blues train.